The second day of the Monte-Carlo rally, and it's all over for Robert Kubica. The former F1 star had been setting a stunning pace on his debut at this terrifying event, but one misjudgment of the grip levels on the wet tarmac was all it took. Off the road and out of the rally. There was also a frustrating puncture for Jari-Matti in the same stage. The Finn and co-driver Mika Antila out to change the wheel, allowing Elvin Evans to overtake the driver they just worked hard to pass on the leaderboard. With Latvala soon back on his way, it was his turn to be the hunter. The young Welshman eventually conceding in this game of cat and mouse.
Three right shot, long over crest.
Andreas Mikkelsen was up to 6th following his teammate Latvala's delay, but the Norwegian suffered his own drama soon after. Only the quick work of nearby spectators getting the VW man back on the road here. But it was up at the front where the action was really intensifying. Rally leader Brian Bouffier was clinging grimly on to his half-a-minute advantage, but with world champion Sébastien Ogier chasing him down, eventually the pressure told. A small mistake in the hectic stage 9 was all it took. The Volkswagen man wasn't going to let this opportunity slip him by. With a time almost 23 seconds quicker than the rest of the field, Ogier stormed into the lead. The local star was living life on the edge at times, but after starting the day in 4th, over 47 seconds off the lead, it had been an incredible drive. Ogier's lead over Bouffier, 51.1 seconds by the end of the second leg, and Meek is more secure in 3rd following Kubica's retirement.